You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this brand of French premium chocolate. If you want to learn more names of different chocolates, brands, make sure to stay tuned. In French, in France, it is pronounced as Valrhona, Valrhona, Valrhona. There's no stress on any particular syllable in French. But in English, Valrhona. It'd be fine also to pronounce it as Valrhona. But generally, Valrhona makes a bit more sense in English. In French again, Valrhona, French pronunciation, chocolate, Valrhona. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.